Hello, good morning. Today is Friday and I'm trying to make some videos and I got some question. I like this kind of questions because a lot of beginners, there are a lot of things that are, I don't say hidden, but not a lot of people they know what they are really. Okay, in this video I'll try to speak about what we call market makers. Now someone asks me a question. He said he had seen in some videos of some other guys on how to do like a market maker. When he buys, you buy with him. When he sells, you sell with him. And then you make money like him. And I told him, do you really know who is the market maker? Because I think you don't. When you buy stock, who is opposite you? It's the market maker. He can make the money between the bid and the ask, but you can't, because you are at disadvantage. So who are these market makers? Market makers are almost all brokers. They have the orders of customers and they should fill these orders. There are thousands, there are millions of orders each day, okay, in thousands of stocks. So the market maker, he buys from you when you want to sell. So when he wants to buy from you, he buys with the bid. Okay? So you are losing money when you sell to him, because he is at the advantage. He can buy from the bid and he sells to someone else in the ask, and he can make money from this bid and ask, even if it is 1 cent or 2 cents. But these people are doing millions of shares a day, so it's not as you might think that it is just, you say, how we make money from 1 cent. No, 1 cent when it is millions of shares, it is millions of dollars a day. So these brokers, they have the advantage because they pay money for the exchange to do this, and they facilitate trading. It means when you want to sell, you find them, but when you want to sell, you say less than the last price that it is in that you see it. That's why when you see the screen, what do you see? You see the last price, the price of the stock right now, and you see what the people, what the market makers asks in order that you buy. So he asks, always when he asks more than the bid. But if you want to sell, it is called the bid. So he is in both ways. If you want to sell, he is the bid. Okay? So he takes your shares for less than the ask. If you want to buy, he will be the ask. Okay? Because he wants more money, more than the bid. So you can't be the market maker. This I want just to make sure that the people, or especially the beginners who don't understand what does it mean, the market maker. Market maker, you find them in NASDAQ mostly, and in NYCA you find what we call the specialist. The specialist takes the orders from all the market makers and something, and he facilitates the trading. It means they are facilitators. It means they help. For example, for you want to sell, you have profit, you want to sell, you find them. But you find that you sell less than the price that you see, less value. But for you, it's not important because you have made a profit. So it's not that important that you lose $10 in this trade or between the bid and the ask. It's not a big deal. Okay. But for them, they are the opposite of you. It means when you want to buy, you buy from them. When you want to sell, you sell for them. So they are opposite you. So you can't be the market maker. Okay? Now, there are other guys who can do the market maker, but they are traders. They are not those kind of market makers. For example, the floor traders. Floor traders has advantage on you, although he is a trader like you, but he can buy not from the ask, he can buy from the bid from you, and he can sell to you with the ask. So these kind of things, that's why floor trader, he pays 1 million or 2, like let's say in the YSCA, he buys a seat. Why he buys a seat with 1 million or 2 million? Because he has an advantage, okay, over you. He buys from you and he sells to you, so he can make too much money from these transactions. You know, they do a lot of transactions, not just 1 or 2. They can make millions of dollars. Okay, so from now on, please don't be confused with what you call market maker. And anyone, please, anyone who tells you they show you how to be like a market maker, man, these guys, he wants to fool you because he knew that you do nothing, you don't know nothing about market makers, and he wants just to sell you something, to sell you a strategy or something, but it doesn't exist. Even if it is like a stock strategy, how to buy, how to sell, how to do a way to do business, this is okay. Okay, you buy and you try it, it's very good. But those guys, they give you something impossible. Okay, you can't be a market maker. How can he tell you you will be like a market maker? You know how the market maker work. Okay, you are not a market maker. You can't buy from the bid. This is the market. That's why they put you two things. Okay, they put you 2 things. Oh, sorry. They put you 2 things, which is the bid and the ask. When you want to buy, always you buy from the ask. If you put the bid, you put the price of the bid, you should wait. Maybe the ask go down, it becomes like the bid, and the bid go down. Yes, maybe. But if the stock is going up, you will never get it. You will never get that price. So try when you read, which is very good. I like some subscribers or some viewers who ask me this kind of questions, because this means that they have no idea what does it mean, a market maker. Okay, that's why you say market maker. He makes the market. He can change the price. He buys, he sells. Okay, they are doing some stuff, but for you, there is no way to be a market maker, except when you go to work for a broker, or you become a big trader like floor trader, or you work for a big institution or something. So these kind of things, you can become a market maker. You have $1,000, $2,000, and you are thinking about making market makers who has millions of dollars. Okay, it's impossible. That's why I'm always getting like these questions, and I thank these guys for asking me these questions, because for me, sometimes I don't do such video about these things, because the idea that comes to me, I explain. Okay, so when someone asks me a question, direct question, I can make a video about this type of this subject. Okay, subjects of trading, they are so huge. Okay, so you're learning, you should learn each day, each week, or each month, or each year. You should learn, correct mistakes. That is the way to make money. Okay, when you stop losing too much money, you lose just a little bit as normal, and you begin having some money from profit, and then you see your account in green. Okay, so people who have, they always see red, man, you are in danger. So either you should stop, you should think about your strategy, think about the way you do business, and think about the ideas that you have. This is the most important thing. When you have a wrong idea and you are stubborn and you don't listen, you don't want to learn, I like some people who argue with me. I like, because I will show you by proof. Okay? Show them by proof, because the people, when they give an idea, mostly when they give an idea, they don't have a proof. They say, okay, your idea is good, okay, and you have an opinion, okay, give me a stock, show me, okay, show me what you did, and you are right. This is the only way to know, because I'm not speaking about theory. In all my channel, whenever I give you something explanation, it's not theory, it's practice. You go and you practice it. That's it. So theory and practice for me is one thing. I don't give you just ideas how to become a millionaire in 1 year, or how to become like Warren Buffett, how to do this, how to do that. No, this is, for me, is stupid things, and people, they want to use big titles like this. I see someone who is very famous, and he has a newspaper, and he's very famous. He's in England, and he has a video like how to invest like Warren Buffett. I told him, did he give you his strategy or his way to do the business? If you know his strategy, why you are not billionaire like him? You can't, because it's a secret of business. Warren Buffett, even he is dying right now. Okay, he will never tell his secret to anyone. Okay, because it's business, and this is how the people, they make money. They make money because they are secretive. Okay, they don't give that much. Even in the online, like in the media, they don't give secrets. They give you the past information. Oh, this company last year was $10, today is 100. Okay, that's good. That's good for the people who bought it last year. But for me, what is it? It's over. I can't buy it right now with 100, because it will go down, because the guys who bought it at 10, they will sell at 50 or 70 or 100. They will not wait until the end of life, and they will choose another one with $10 or $5 or $7 or $20, and they make it $200 in 1 year or two. This is the way they do business. They advertise. That is business. Okay, so thank you very much for this guy who asked me about market makers. If you have such questions like this, please just ask. Whenever is a question, I don't see stupid question. No, all the questions, any question that you have in mind and that worries you, and it's ambiguous for you, you don't understand, just ask. Okay, if I have the answer, I will answer you. If I don't, it's something that it is like out of my reach, I will tell you I have no idea about this. Okay, especially with investing, with a lot of stuff, it needs a lot of practice, a lot of reading, and it needs years. Okay, and investing, you need more than 1 year to know if you are right or if you are wrong. If you are right, you make too much money. If you are wrong, man, you lose too much money. That is the risk of business. Okay, so thank you very much. If you have any question, and just ask as usual, either in this video or other videos. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.